Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. And today we're going to be making a paleo chocolate chip cookie. And this recipe uses almond flour, and so it's also grain-free and gluten-free, and I think that you're really gonna love it. So let's jump right in. So the first step is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to line a baking sheet with foil and parchment paper for easy cleanup. And then we are going to grab all of our ingredients, which includes almond flour as the base of these cookies, and chocolate chips, and some coconut sugar, also baking soda and sea salt, and some vanilla extract. And then we're going to scramble up 1 egg to add to the cookie dough, and a half a cup of warmed coconut oil. And then you just have to mix it all up. It just takes a few minutes for the ingredients to come together into the cookie dough. And then just use your hands to roll out about 24 cookie dough batter balls that we're then going to bake in the oven. And you can just use your hands to flatten out the batter just a little bit into cookie shapes. And then I just gave my hands a quick wash because, of course, there was raw egg. And then I popped the cookie dough on the baking sheet into the oven for 15 minutes, and the top should be golden brown when they are cooked through. And I will link the recipe in the description. I hope that you like this recipe, and I am going to link to my edible chocolate chip cookie dough, which I think you're also gonna love that recipe too. I'll link that one right up here. And I also wanted to point out that this recipe that I made today comes from my cookbook, which is the Quick and Easy Healthy Cookbook. It's available on Amazon. You can find it by searching my name, Carrie Forrest, or the Quick and Easy Healthy Cookbook, and all of the recipes can be made in 30 minutes or less. See you in the next video. Bye.